Howdy peeps, I'm on the start of my 4,000 kilometre journey in Australia. So just getting set up for my first night here. There's my bed in the back. So I'll see you along the way. Well, I've arrived in Adelaide, my first leg of my journey, 600 kilometres later. Started yesterday morning, which was Wednesday, and arrived Thursday afternoon. So I camped along the way. And so anyway, on the way I brought something home for my daughter to try out, and it's a vanilla slice. Well, that one's for me to try out. So it looks pretty good. We'll see what we give it out of 10. Oh, that's delicious. It's nearly a 10, I think.
Where's it from?
Some people might think it. Howdy peeps. Well, I'm still in Adelaide at my daughter's, heading off in 6 days on my 4,000 kilometre journey across Australia, solo. I sleep in my car, so got a bed in the back there. I've just been to a bakery nearby because I'm trying pies and vanilla slices across Australia. They're iconic to Australia, so I went to Argos on the parade and had some lunch there with my daughter. Anyway, I saw the vanilla slices, so I had to try one out. So here it is. Just got icing on the top. Quite nice. I would give that probably a 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Argos on the parade in Adelaide. Okay, catch you later. Howdy peeps. On my way on my trip. Left Adelaide, I'm out in the bush. My first night out in the bush here camping in Victoria. So that's where I am. So there's inside my car, my bed, my table and chairs out the back. So I've just had my tea, had a quick one tonight. So this is what life's like on the road when you're travelling solo. Have a listen. Can't hear much at all. Okie doke, catch you on the way. My camp for the night. First night camping out in the bush. Nice green paddocks out there, cropping. Okie dokie, better set up my camp. Getting my dinner ready. Good morning everybody. Well, had a good night's sleep last night. Waking up here. Nothing to be scared of out in the bush. It's only the cities you got to worry about. So better get up and huff down on the road. So pulled up here. So it's a lovely little spot. there's the camping grounds over there where you can actually camp for free, and you can camp down anywhere you want along the river. Lots of free camping spots in Victoria. It's very well set up for camping actually. I'm in the campgrounds on the Murray River in Victoria. So I'm not sure about camping here because branches drop from trees, so it's not a good idea. So one of the reasons I came to Echuca is a bookshop. Now, there's a book here somewhere. I'm getting for my granddaughter. Vanilla slices.
Righto. Where are we going to sit? You go and find a seat.
Howdy peeps. Well, I've just pulled up for the evening. I'm on the Murray River again. Just cooked my steak, ready for tea. So it's quite a nice spot here on the Murray. Just had some rowdy boys go past on their motorbikes, but they'll stop at night time, I'm sure. Yeah, so here's the mighty Murray River. Nice spots over there to camp. I'm on the upside here, so these are going on the low side. Anyway, catch you in the morning. Camped on the mighty Murray. In Victoria. Houseboat up there. Howdy to all the peeps out there who are worried about camping in the bush. I'm driving out now. Not a single soul was around my car last night. Anyway, here's where I camped. Just driving out now. So, yeah, so you're pretty safe camping out in the bush, I'll tell you that now. And as for Desi Freeman, well, he's more worried about the police than picking up shooting any other people. Oh, which way did I come? I think this way. Okie dokie, see you then. You scaredy cats out there? I've been doing this for a while, so I know what I'm about. I grew up in the country training horses and carting across Australia on my own, so I'm not scared. G'day, how's everyone going? This is one of the tracks I'm on, as you can see. It's quite pretty out here. Victoria has got lots of big trees, rivers, snowy mountain country, a lot of snow in the high country at the moment. So it's quite a nice place to visit and have a look about. Last year I went to the Man from Snowy River Bush Festival. That was awesome. They're very well set up in Victoria for free camping. So, and if you want to have a shower or whatever, you can go to the information centres or a truck stop or a servo. Sometimes we'll have a shower. So yeah, it's pretty easy actually travelling about, but you have to be confident in yourself and be aware of your surroundings and who's about and that sort of thing. So yep, keep on travelling. All you girls out there, I know there's thousands around Australia, so enjoy it and have fun. So as I am. Okay, better head off down the road. See ya. Howdy peeps, I'll just stop for something to eat. I'm going to test out the pies here at Gumbauer Workshop Cafe. So I've got a lamb, rosemary and potato. They came highly recommended. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Sure do. Tastes pretty good. Alright, catch you on the road. Howdy guys, thought I'd better check in. I'm actually in New South Wales. I'm going to see my brother in Sydney. So I'll be out of action for a couple of days, so I thought I'd just better let you know in case you thought I got caught by someone nefarious. Anyway, yep, so I'm doing well. Just been into a service station and had some breakfast or brunch. Anyway, yeah, so after Sydney I'll be heading north, so catch you all on the way.
Those for the Philippines, love to get one. Can't have the money.
No.
No, yeah. Oh, we've seen a real good one the other night when it was warm. It's cold now.
Guess where I am, guys? I'll show you. Bondi Beach, Sydney. It's actually the first time I've been here, even though I used to live up Avalon Beach. Woohoo! Howdy peeps. Guess where I am? Yep, so there's the Harbour Bridge. Going past in a boat. City. So I'll catch her on the next trip. See ya. Howdy peeps. Well, guess where I am? Spending time with family today. Well, I'm back at a lovely little camp spot. So, my drink of choice, Southern Comfort. Yeah, so there's a nice little creek running nearby. Lovely big trees there, not gums though, that'll drop their branches. So I'll just go for a bit of a walk along the bank here and show you a bit further up. It's a bit what the rope's about. Lovely ferns. New South Wales rainforests. They're pretty, very nice. There you go. Yep, so that's my life on the road. Anyway, yeah, I know it's an isolated spot, but I'll be fine. See ya. Out in the national park, look how tall these trees are. 4 stories high.